Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best mini excavator on Aliexpress in 2025. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The USA stock 1.5-ton mini hydraulic excavator is a compact yet powerful digging solution designed for farms, gardens, and light construction projects. Featuring a reliable tin-hap engine and a crawler-based design, this mini digger offers exceptional stability and maneuverability, making it ideal for various terrains. Its hydraulic system ensures smooth operation, while the CE and EPA certifications guarantee compliance with industry safety and environmental standards. With automatic functionality, a 7 kW power output, and a 1-year warranty on core components, this excavator is built for durability and efficiency. Plus, door-to-door delivery within the US ensures a hassle-free purchasing experience, whether you're digging trenches, landscaping, or working on agricultural projects. This high-performance mini excavator is a versatile and cost-effective choice,